Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete Monopoly Go account. Well, basically, once you open your Monopoly Go, you just need to tap on the hamburger menu right there at the top right-hand corner to open up these options. Now from here, you just need to tap on the settings right here at the bottom. And then from here, you will find a button which says account deletion. So we're going to tap on that. And basically here on this page, as you can see, you'll be directly go to a browser, deleting my account. You'll find any instructions here on how you can delete your account. So as you can see, to confirm that you would like to delete your game account, please click or tap the delete my account button below. So please be aware that this process is not reversible. So once you confirm, you will not receive a confirmation message once the account is deleted. So just need to tap on this delete my account button, and let's see what information you need to fill up here to basically or permanently remove your account. So from here, as you can see, just need to enter your name and then your current email address. So for example, this is my name and this is the email address. So once done here, you just need to tap on the next button. And from here, so help us understand why you are making this type of request. So for example, too many bugs or maybe no longer play the game. Now, if you want to give us additional feedback, so just need to enter here and if the feedbacks for the Monopoly Go app. And finally here, just need to type confirm that you understand your account and will be deleted and cannot be reversible. So once you type on confirm, just tap on the submit button and it will permanently delete your account on Monopoly Go. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.